Hazrat Ayman said, I went to Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha and said, I was the slave of Utbah bin Abu Lahab. When he died, his son inherited me. They then sold me to Ibn Abi Amr, who manumitted me, and the sons of Utbah stipulated the condition of having the right to inherit. Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha said, Barira came to me and she had contracted to purchase her freedom, and she said, Purchase me and then set me free. She agreed to it. She said, They will not sell me until they will impose the condition of having the right to inherit. She, Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha, said, I am not in need of it. Thus the Prophet ﷺ heard it, or this news reached him. So he ﷺ thereupon said to Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha, or Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha mentioned to him what Barira told her. He ﷺ said, Purchase her and then set her free, and let her masters impose the condition. And the Prophet ﷺ said, The right to inherit is for him who manumits, even if anyone imposes 100 conditions against it. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 2565.